Our perception system brings a new level of adaptivity to robots in dynamic manufacturing environment. By using CAD models as a reference, the system can detect and locate objects adaptively, even if they've never been seen before. This means the robot can adjust to new workpieces quickly without retraining, which is crucial for industry where designs change frequently.
We have integrated two key technologies, an advanced object detector and a 6 degrees of freedom pose estimator. The object detector identifies the region of interest of objects in one shot given their CAD files, and then the pose estimator tracks their exact position and orientation. In case the initial object detection fails, the operator is allowed to specify it through an easy-to-use interface, ensuring reliability.